Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss about the concept of structure in C programming. First of all, what is structure? Structure is a user-defined data type in C language which allows us to combine data of different types together. Structure helps to construct a complex data type which is more meaningful. It is somewhat similar to an array, but an array holds data of similar type only. But structure, on the other hand, can store data of any type, which is practical, more useful. For example, if I have to write a program to store student information, which will have student name, age, branch, permanent address, father's name, which included string values, integer values, how can I use array for this problem? I will require something which can hold data of different types together. In structure, data is stored in the form of records. In array, we can store only similar type of data. But in structure, we can store different types of data. Next is how to define a structure in C programming. Struct keyword is used to define a structure. Struct define a new data type which is a collection of primary and derived data type. How to declare a structure? Syntax for declaring a structure is struct keyword, then name of the structure, then structure having data members, and after that define structure variable. The closing curly braces in the structure type declaration must be followed by a semicolon. Semicolon must at the end of the structure. For example, we have a student structure and student structure having 4 data members: name, age, branch and gender. Struct is the keyword and student is the name of the structure. Name, age, branch and gender. These are the data members of the structure. Here struct student declare a structure to hold the detail of the student which consists of 4 data fields, that is name, age, branch and gender. And these fields are called structure elements or members of the structure. And each member can have different data type, like in this case name is an array of character type, age is an integer type, branch is an array of character type and gender is of character type. Then how to declare structure variable? It is possible to declare variables of the structure either along with the structure definition or after the structure is defined. Without declaring a structure variable, no memory is allocated to the structure member. Structure variable declaration is similar to the declaration of any normal variable of any other data type. There are 2 ways to declare structure variable. The first way is declaring structure variable separately, and the second way is declaring structure variable with structure definition. Declaring structure variable separately means declaring structure variable outside the structure definition, and declaring structure variable with the structure definition means declare structure variable inside the definition of the structure. First way is declaring structure variable separately. First of all, create a structure. Struct is the keyword, student is the name of the structure, and structure having 4 data members. Then how to declare structure variable? Struct keyword, student is the name of the structure, S1 and S2 are the structure variables. Then declaring structure variable with the structure definition. That means declare structure variable inside the structure definition. Struct student, student is the name of the structure and structure having 4 data members. Then S1 and S2 are the variables of structure student. And then put the semicolon. Now in this case, structure variable declare inside the structure definition. The next is how to initialize structure member. structure member cannot be initialized with declaration. For example, struct point. Point is the name of the structure and structure having two data member x and y. And if we try to initialize member of the structure, then there will be a compiler error. We cannot initialize members here. The reason is when a data type is declared, no memory is allocated for it. Memory is allocated only when variables are created. Structure members can be initialized using curly braces. For example, struct point is the name of the structure and structure having two data members x and y. And inside the main function, declare structure variable. How to declare structure variable? Struct keyword, point is the name of the structure and p1 is a structure variable. With equal to operator, initialize the members of the structure. Now after initialization, number x gets value 0 and number y gets value 1. Next is structure padding. The size for a struct is not always equal to the sum of size of each individual member. This is because of the padding added by the compiler to avoid alignment issues. Padding is only added when a structure member is followed by a member with a larger size or at the end of the structure. And different compiler might have different alignment constraints, as C standard states that alignment of structure totally depend on the implementation. Let's see the example. Case 1. Struct A and structure A having three data members, int x, double z and short int y. Integer take 4 byte, double takes 8 byte and short int takes 2 bytes. In this case, red portion represent the padding added for the data alignment and the green portion represent the struct members. In this case, x is of integer type is followed by double, which is larger in size as compared to x. So padding is added after x. X takes 4 bytes. Padding is required for 4 bytes. So padding is added after x. Then y takes 2 bytes. Similarly, padding is added after y. Then with the printf function, display the size of structure. Size of struct A. Double takes 8 byte plus integer take 4 byte, 4 plus 4 padding, 8 plus short int takes 2 bytes plus 6 padding, 2 plus 6, 8. The size of structure is 24. Second case. In this case, structure B having three data members, double z, int x and short int y. Now in this case, the members of the structure are sorted in decreasing order of their size. So padding is required only at the end. Z takes 8 byte. Then x is of integer type, takes 4 byte. Then short int y takes 2 bytes. Two bytes padding is added after y. Now in this case, size of structure is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Result is 16. Size of structure is 16. Size of operator is used to compute the size of any data type. Next is assessing structure members. There are two types of operators that are used for assessing the members of the structure. The first one is a member operator and second one is structure pointer operator. Dot is a member operator and arrow is a structure pointer operator. Assessing structure member by dot operator. First of all, declare a structure, struct point, and point structure having two data member x and y. Inside the main function, declare structure variable and then initialize the members of the structure. Now assessing members of structure. We can assess the members of structure with the help of member operator. Member operator is also known as dot operator. How to assess members of the structure? Structure variable, dot operator, then name of the member, then with the help of equal to operator assign the value. P1 dot y is equal to 30. Now in this case, what will be the output? P1 dot x is 20 and P1 dot y is 30. Then assessing structure member by structure pointer operator. First of all, declare a structure. Then inside the main function, declare a structure variable. Then initialize the members of the structure. Then after that, declare pointer to structure. How to declare pointer to structure? With star operator. Struct is a keyword, point is the name of the structure, star P2 is the pointer to structure, is equal to ampersand P1. That means P2 is a pointer to structure that holds the address of structure P1. We can assess structure member using pointer structure. How to assess? Name of the pointer to structure, arrow operator, the name of the member. In this case, the value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. Let's see the program based on structure. First of all, declare a structure. How to declare a structure? Struct keyword, then name of the structure. Name of the structure is student, and student structure having data members int uid char name float marks. Structure definition end with the semicolon. Now inside the main function, declare structure variable. How to declare structure variable? Struct keyword, then name of the structure, and S1 is the structure variable. Now assign the values to the S1 student. UID, then name of the student, then marks of the student. Then with printf function, display the detail of the student. UID is equal to %d, and %d display the value of UID. S1 dot. How to assess members of the structure? With the help of dot operator. S1 is the name of the variable, dot operator, then name of the member. Similarly, display the name as well as marks of the student. Name is equal to %s, and %s display the name of the student. %s is a format specifier for string type value. Then marks is equal to %f. %f display the value of marks. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, UID, name and marks of the student is to be printed onto the screen. Next video will discuss array of structure and nested structure in C programming.